Welcome to a Sunday morning walk with Darren. Yes, we're going exploring, we're going to get some food. And yes, I have been to Little India before, but where we're going to, which is about a 1.5k walk, I haven't been to before. I am slowly getting used to wearing the mask. When it's a hot climate as it is with the humidity, it does feel a little bit uncomfortable, but at the end of the day, it's there for your own protection and also the protection of others. So really important to wear it when you're out in public. Obviously it's not a typical day here in Kuala Lumpur because it is Sunday, but just to give you some kind of idea of what the streets are like right now. So it is good to see the barber shops open again. I got my hair cut last week. I think this building here must be a school, maybe. Not too sure. The smells when you're walking around, oh dear, amazing smell of Indian food, all the spices. As you can see in the restaurants, lots of social distancing, but they're all open now. Not too sure what that building is in front of us. Interesting architecture. I think we have to get across this busy road. We've got a high school right in front of us, and then a river, I'm assuming. So yeah, I've never been here before. You can see the monorail train just going around there. We've got the river. And this is where I'm walking at the moment. No idea if I'm heading in the right direction. I hope I am. See all the cars down there. Yeah, so this way is Brickfields. And I'm heading to our destination. They've definitely got the River of Life signs, so this must be part of it when it's all completed. You can see there's quite a lot of construction work going on over here. While Google Maps has let me down, I'm literally walking alongside what we would call a dual carriageway in the UK, and I can't see an entrance into the area we're going to explore, so okay, this is turning into an adventure, I guess. We've got to climb up these steps, I think. Mosquito spray on, that's the first thing I'm going to do. Right now, dengue fever is really bad in this part of the world, so I've got my mosquito spray, I just sprayed it all over my body. After spending, what, 2.5 months in lockdown here in Malaysia, oh, a bit out of shape, if I'm being honest. So I just asked this very nice gentleman if this leads down to the park, and he said yes. So going downhill now. So we're out of the jungle now, and just going to follow this guy for a bit. Hopefully it leads to the park. He said it did. And a nice little quiet area now. Got the recycling bins here, if you can see them. Sometimes it pays to go out of your comfort zone, but I always go with my gut instinct whatever I'm doing in life. Heading in the right direction. Just looked on Google Maps. Oh, and these are coconut trees here. Interesting flowers, not too sure what they are. Fragrant smell. Anyway, we're at our destination, it's time to explore. So this here is the Urban Orchard Park. It's got a beautiful lake, some bridges, lots of open areas for social distancing. As you can see, not many people around. Taking my mask off for a little bit. It's really hot and sweaty. Loving it though. I can't remember if I mentioned, but I'm at the Urban Orchard Park, and this is where we are exploring today. Apparently it is home to 1900 species of plants and fauna. Can't talk today. And as you can see, it is an absolutely beautiful day. Fluffy white clouds. Just walking over this bridge. What more do you want to do on a Sunday morning and afternoon? Oh wow, look at this. Walking across a river. A bit of noise from the staff here. One thing I've noticed about the parks in KL is that the parks are really well kept. No litter as you're walking around, at least the ones I've been to. And then we have silence. think it's now time to take the mask off. There's nobody around here at all. It's really surprising how quickly the weather changes here in Malaysia. There was blue skies, not a cloud in the sky, and then now it looks like it's going to rain. But I'm always prepared. I've got my waterproof coat with me. When you come to KL, that's what you've got to do. You've got to prepare for, you know, 2 or 3 seasons in one day. Bit of a close-up of the waterfall. And this is how I love spending my Sundays, just going for a stroll. I've brought my book with me so I can find somewhere in the shade to sit down. I love it. I've honestly lost count how many times I've come to Kuala Lumpur and I've never been here before. And I suspect many other people, tourists, haven't been here before. If you are in KL, head here. It's a beautiful spot and it's so quiet. Just having a little pit stop, had some water, put some hand sanitizer on, done some more mosquito spray, and yeah, I think we're ready to continue this walk. Okay, I've just been told by the security guard that the way I was heading was the way I've come from, so we're gonna go this way. I did say it's like 3 seasons, just walking under here and the leaves are blowing from the trees like it is autumn. And there you can see in the distance the Hotel Central and the Alliance Insurance Company, so that must be KL. No, that must be, what am I on about? That's Little India. Yeah, here we are. We've got the Hilton Hotel, the Met Life building. So yeah, seen a bit of the city there. It's nice views. So yeah, who would have known that this exists right next to Little India? I could just jump into this right now. Right, the wind has picked up a little bit and it's got very dark, which can only mean one thing. Yes, it's time to head for something to eat because it's going to rain. You can see this building here. It looks very much like an old British colony kind of style architecture. And I'm heading this way. We're going to head back through the little jungle and get to Little India. And this just fell on my head. See, autumn, and it's going to rain. I can see it, I can feel it. And here we go, going to the jungle. Da, da, da. Who sang that? It was like a rock song, rock band. Anyway, we're going into the jungle, and today we're searching for the rare firefly of Kuala Lumpur. Through the dense jungle and forest, we see the wildlife in their natural habitat. Up an hill, can hear noises. Oh my god, what's behind me? Oh my days, so unfit, so unfit. Look at the size of this leaf. Yeah, I'm wearing white socks, don't give me a hard time. We made it. Oh my days, I'm exhausted. So we're now back in Little India. See these food stalls here. I think I can see durian, it's back in season again. Smells absolutely delicious, it really does. Most of the places are quite small and there's a number of people in there already. It is lunchtime, so not too sure what to do. This place looks pretty quiet. Food smells good. So for lunch today I've gone with the Maggi noodles with veggies and an apple drink. Yum, it smells so good. I am starving. Before you say, yes, it's Little India and you're eating Maggi noodles, it's just what I really wanted to eat. Lots of veggies, I'm craving veggies and noodles. Right, I'm going to leave the video here for today. I'm going to go for a coffee do a little bit of work and then go back to my apartment and edit this video. So I shall be back very soon with a new video from KL. Until then, take care and stay safe. See you soon.